In this video, I will show you how to add and delete Instagram Reels from profile grid. So the first thing to do is to check if we have Reels right here. So we just have to go scroll down. And as you can see, there is Reel right here. But in order for me to demonstrate it further, I have to make a new Reel. In order to do that, I just have to tap on this plus button right here and then click on Reel. So now I just have to click on camera and then videotape a new reel. Let's say right here. You just have to hold it down here. And then I just have to hit on next. Hit on next again. And then let's say caption. Let's say testing right here. Now once that's done, I just have to share it and wait for it to finish up. So as you can see, my reel was posted right now. So if we go to my profile right now, and then refresh, as you can see, the reel has been added to my profile grid. You can also see this feature right here that is catered to reels only. So you will be able to see the drafts as well as the reel that I have posted. Now, in order for me to delete the Instagram reel from my profile grid right here, just have to tap on the reel and click on these three dots on the upper corner. I just have to click on this remove from profile grid and then tap on remove. Now, when we refresh it, as you can see, the reel that I just posted is not on the profile grid, but it's on the reel section. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!